Clip to save, you will be amazed.
Happy Sunday, lovely people. Coupon and Crystal here with a Walgreens haul. Went to Walgreens because I was going to get something else. I can't remember what it was, but anyway, I went to Walgreens today to get something else, and it ended up printing me off the spend 20, get 5,000 points point booster little slip thing. So I said, let me go ahead and use it because I typically put that thing in my book or in my pocketbook and then lose track of it. So I wanted to get more of the Scott paper towels because I kept doing that last week over and over and over again, and the Angel Soft because it was such a good deal. Okay, so the paper towels are still $5, and then you use the in booklet coupon, which is going to take off $1.25, making it be $3.75. I got this one and I got this one. So I got two of these. So what you need to keep in mind when you are doing one of those spin, about to knock stuff off the table. What you want to keep in mind, I do believe, if I learned this correctly, is that you need to do your subtotal. Make sure that your subtotal gets to $20 after Walgreens coupons. And those booklet coupons are considered Walgreens coupons, okay? So those are giving me $3.75 towards my $20 total. Then I got one of the Tide. The Tide is on sale for $4.95. I did use the $2 P&G coupon in the March P&G, so I got $2 off of that, dropping that down to $2.95. My next item that I got was the Downy Unstoppable Scent Boosters. Now these are $4.95 on sale. I used the P&G $2 coupon that drops it down to $4.95. That's pretty good for these because they smell really good. Now I'm still trying to get to my $20. So I needed to get two of the Dawn. The Dawns are 99¢ on sale. These are the little 8-ounce Dawns. Now, did not realize that the Dawn coupons, the 25¢ Dawn coupons actually expired yesterday. So I had to take those off. But I was still not at $20. So I needed to get one more item. I couldn't find anything for 62¢, so I found some for 89¢, which was the Renews It little cone, little scent smell thing, 89¢. That brought my total to $20.27. Now, my coupons were $4.50 because remember, I had, well, actually, excuse me, I left off a coupon, okay? I used a 50¢ coupon for one of the paper towels that was in the inserts for today, okay? So keep that in mind. New Walgreens couponers like me, we can use the 50¢ insert coupon along with the $1.25 booklet coupon, okay? That's called stacking. All right, I got a $2 coupon for this, $2 coupon for this. So that was $4.50 off, making my total be $15.81. We'll look at the receipt in just a minute. All right, $15.81 is what I had to pay out of pocket without tax, all right? I know that seems like a lot. Didn't have any points, but I'm gaining back $5, 5,000 points, which is a good deal to me because I go out the store, put my stuff in the car, come back in the store and do my second transaction, which is the Tide Pods. They're $4.95 this week. I used a $2 Tide Pod coupon out of the P&G, dropping it to $2.95. Then I got another Tide liquid, which is $4.95, $2 coupon, makes it be $2.95. I rolled $5 or 5,000 points, making my out-of-pocket be $1.57. So if you add up the $15.81 I spent in the first transaction, and then the $1.57 that I spent in the second transaction, makes it be $17.38 is what I paid for all the items, which I got 9 items. That's like $1.93 an item. To me, that is a good deal, okay? My normal way is to use points to get registered rewards and registered rewards to get points. I really didn't see any registered rewards that I could do in the ad this week. So I did what I did. I got what I wanted. So that's always a winning situation. Let's go to the receipt.
So I use cash, so I don't care nothing about y'all seeing the receipt because I didn't use my card. Okay, so there we go. There you see that point coupon. That's where she scanned the coupon. That's my coupons coming off. My subtotal of $15.81. Let's go down to my little points. There we have it. My closing balance for my points. And you see I got the 5,000 bonus points is what I used for this transaction, where I just got the Tide and I got the pods. And then my total was $6.57. The $5 reward came off, making it be $1.57.
Okay, lovely people, that's it for my Walgreens haul for today. I don't normally do Walgreens hauls on a regular, but I felt like I got to get these P&Gs while I can. I got to get these P&G deals. All right, so no coupons were abused in the making of this video because I did not try to get two of these in the same transaction. Y'all know if you read the coupon, because my cashier was reading the coupon, it did have, you know, one per household per day. All right, so I went outside, put my stuff in the car, and I came back in and I done my second transaction. You can't stop me from being a customer. All right, I'm getting ready to get off of here. I'm going to enjoy this beautiful day we are having in North Carolina today, and we're about to go eat. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, blessed rest of your Sunday. And remember, click to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.